Starting the gate. And they're off. And a very tangled beginning for Cleverest Brother. Salerno shoots out of there, shows speed with Makana from the inside, got to get it, man, and a Crazy Notion is close up too. Going to have to tap on the brakes though, and sit in behind this wall of leaders. Got to get it, man, is sent hard for the lead, and he has it. Salerno from the top shelf goes second. A Crazy Notion is tucked in into a neat pocket there along the inside, but he's fourth as now Tap Your Brother ranges up outside of him. Makana's right alongside of the favorite 2 and 5th. Then comes Ms. Magnifique in 6th. Cleverest Brother recovers after that tangled beginning. He races up outside of horses. Then comes Wish Me the Best. And the trailer at the back of the pack is Ask Me Not. So they head up the backstretch with Got to Get It Men, setting the pace at 25-1. Salerno is scrubbed on for run here. Then Tap Your Brother. A Crazy Notion's going to need to find racing room here. Makana's coming with a wide rally. He'll get first run because he's in the clear. And Makana's on the move outside of Salerno. Got to Get It, man. A Crazy Notion still stymied in traffic here. The half in 47-3. Makana got the jump on the favorite, but now a Crazy Notion swings outside for the final furlong. Makana up to claim the lead from Salerno. And a Crazy Notion's all in. It's to the inside Salerno, to the outside Makana, and now a Crazy Notion begins to gobble them up. A Crazy Notion over the top to score. A Crazy Notion draws away to win it by just over a length. Salerno battled back for second, then came Ask Me Not and Makana. Final time, 1:22-3. Five, 9, 3, 7. The winner number 5, A Crazy Notion. Second was the 9, Salerno. Third number 3, Ask Me Not. And fourth was the 7, Makana. 5, 9, 3, 7. And the results of the 6th race are now official.